Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create transaction pin on Access mobile app. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank account, which of course I have done right here. Launch your Access Bank app, and then the next thing is, where exactly can you find Access Bank? You can find the mobile app on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Access Bank and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the mobile app. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign-up window. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an account by registering and of course opening the account. Now after logging in, this is what you can do to create your transaction pin on the Access mobile app. Okay, so these are the steps that you can take. So number one, download the Access Mobile app, which of course I have showed. Of course, I've told you how to do that. Then log into your account, and of course I've told you how to do that. The next is to navigate to the menu. Now once logged in, look for the menu icon from the home page, usually 3 lines or dots located at the corner of the screen. Now click on Settings. Now in the menu options, find and select Settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your app, including your transaction pin. Then after clicking on Settings, choose Create/Change Pin. So inside the settings, you see an option for Create/Change Pin. Click on that. Then select this to begin setting up your transaction pin. Then you'll be prompted to enter a 4-digit pin. Choose a number that is secure but easy for you to remember. Avoid obvious combinations like 1, 2, 3, 4 or your bet year. Then you will need to enter your pin again to confirm it. Make sure both entries match to avoid any errors. Now, once confirmed, your transaction pin is set. You receive a confirmation notification on the app and possibly via email or SMS, depending on your notification settings. Now ensure that your pin is unique. Don't use easily guessable numbers like your birthday to 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it private. Never share your pin with anyone. Your pin is your personal key to secure banking, and change regularly. For added security, consider changing your pin periodically. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.